Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to quickly come on and share a few cards and just tell you about a fun Facebook Live that I'm going to be doing at 12:30 GMT today, Friday the 9th of December, over on the Craft Stash Facebook page and YouTube channel. I do believe it's going to be streaming there as well. It's going to be a fun hour and a half going through the best of Made to Surprise 2022. There's going to be a couple of demos from myself. Gemma, who's on my design team, she's actually going to be joining us as well and showing some of the wonderful samples that she's made. We've put together some brand new bundles that we've not done before. We've got some really good prices with those. We've got competitions and freebies as well. Just wanted to show you a few of some of the cards that I'm going to be sharing. One of my favorites is this gorgeous card here. So I'm going to be hopefully doing a similar demo during the Facebook Live. I've also got this lovely one here. So you'll recognize some of the past characters and images, and then we're just going to show you some new ways to use them and hopefully just give inspiration to who have maybe got this product already, but also for anybody new to Made to Surprise. Maybe some of you are watching right now and you didn't even know that I have my own product line. So if you didn't know that, I have my own range called Made to Surprise. I have a Made to Surprise YouTube channel. I will link that up here, and it will also be in the description box below, where I share lots of things there. But whenever there's some kind of like launch or Facebook Live, I like to announce it on this page, just so that anybody new that's joined will know about Made to Surprise. So I hope you can join me later on today. All of the information will be shared in the description box below, so you can go there and click on the event to join it. Like I said, if you're not on Facebook, it will go up onto YouTube, but I'm pretty sure we are streaming on YouTube Live as well. And yeah, I can't wait to do some demos, interact with you all, so make sure you're chatting in the comments, and I will try and keep up and read and answer any questions along the way. I will also link in the description box the new bundles that we have available and how you can enter competitions and the free gifts as well. I'll have all of that in the description box. So I hope to see you all again later. Take care. Bye.